Do you always feel pressure on your mind because of a workload? Maybe your to-do list keeps growing, and it feels like you can't take a break. You're not alone. Many of us experience mental overload due to constant tasks, emails, and responsibilities. But what if there was an easier way to manage all of this? Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful productivity tools that can help you lower mental overload, stay focused, and get more done with less stress. Let's dive right into these productivity tools. 1. Todoist, the task manager that keeps you on track. Let's face it, trying to remember everything you need to do can be exhausting. That's where Todoist comes in. This task management tool helps you organize everything in one place, from work tasks to personal reminders. You can create projects, set deadlines, and even break down tasks into smaller steps. What makes Todoist stand out is its simple interface that makes it easy to track your progress and focus on what's next. It also has a feature called Karma, where you get points for completing tasks, which adds a bit of fun to your daily productivity. By using Todoist, you won't have to keep everything in your head, you'll have it all neatly organized, reducing mental overload and making it easier to stay focused. 2. Notion, your all-in-one workspace. If you're looking for something that does more than just task management, Notion is your go-to tool. This app combines note-taking, task management, and database organization all in one space. It's super customizable, so you can design your workspace to suit your needs, whether you're managing projects, taking notes, or even tracking your habits. Notion is perfect if you're someone who needs flexibility in organizing your thoughts and tasks. You can set up everything from to-do lists to detailed project workflows, and even collaborate with others. It's all about keeping everything in one place so you don't have to jump between multiple apps. With Notion, your mind stays clear, and your productivity stays high. 3. Trello, visual task management for simplicity. If you're a fan of visual organization, Trello might be the tool you've been looking for. It uses a simple drag-and-drop system with boards, lists, and cards that help you organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Each board can represent a project, and within each board, you can break tasks down into specific steps. Trello's visual layout makes it easy to see your progress at a glance, which helps reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. You can color-code tasks, attach files, and even collaborate with teammates. By organizing tasks visually, Trello helps clear your mind, making it easier to stay focused and on track. It's perfect for both personal and team projects. For rescue time, track and improve your digital habits. We all know how easy it is to get distracted by social media, emails, or endless browsing. But what if you could actually track where your time goes online? That's exactly what Rescue Time does. This app tracks how you spend your time on your devices, whether it's work-related or just browsing. What's great about Rescue Time is that it provides detailed reports and insights on your daily habits, showing you where you're spending too much time. It helps you identify distractions and make adjustments to improve your focus. For example, if you notice that you're spending too much time on social media, you can set goals to limit those distractions. By being more aware of how you use your time, you can make smarter decisions about where to focus, lowering mental overload and boosting productivity. 5. Headspace, a calm mind for better focus. No matter how organized you are, mental overload can still happen. That's where Headspace comes in. This popular meditation app offers guided meditations and mindfulness exercises that are perfect for reducing stress and clearing your mind. Whether you need a 10-minute break during your workday or a longer session to reset your mind, Headspace helps you calm your thoughts and focus on the present moment. Headspace also offers different programs depending on your needs, like sleeping better or handling stressful situations. Regular meditation helps improve your focus, emotional well-being, and ability to stay calm under pressure. It's a great tool to complement your productivity efforts, as it helps clear your mind before diving into tasks. So, there you go. These 5 productivity tools can help you stay organized, reduce mental overload, and improve your focus. Whether you're looking to manage your tasks better, track your time, or calm your mind, these apps are designed to make your life simpler and less stressful. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who could use a mental reset, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on improving your productivity and mental well-being. Start using these tools today, and you'll be well on your way to staying calm and thinking clearly.